Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15.0 on Oracle Linux Standard 1. But the process is same on all Oracle Linux versions. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Oracle Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Tor Browser official website, it is torproject.org. Click on download Tor Browser or download Tor Browser, both are same. Then click on download for Linux. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 131 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will unzip this file and we will execute the Tor browser. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directly, cd downloads, ls. See, here we have the Tor browser zip file. We have to unzip it. tor-xf, then tor, then press the tab to autofill entire file name from your keyboard. Hit enter. ls. See, here we have the Tor browser folder. Go to the cd Tor browser ls. Now execute this file ./start, then press the tab, hit enter. Wait a moment, Tor browser will be opened. See, you got the Tor browser. If you want to connect manually always, you have to click on connect, and if you want to connect automatically always, you have to turn on this one. If you don't want connect always automatically, you have to turn off like this. Okay, you want to connect always automatically, so you can connect. Now verify the version. Go to help, about Tor browser. See, you got the 15.0. Okay, close this one. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tor browser latest version, that is 15.0 on Oracle Linux 10.1. Okay, for more Linux tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.